everyone! Time to dust off the LaLiLu dolls a little. Oh, Bullseye! Have you been standing here doing nothing for long? Huh? Woody! Oh, you're dusty too. Oops, Woody and Jessie decided to run away. Wait! Where are you going? La la la. Oh, what's that noise? Lali, what happened? Where are Woody and Jessie? They were right here. They just ran off. Oh, I know. Let's make new ones. Are we making our own Toy Story? Aw, what cuties. Stay right here while I start with Mini Jessie. We need to repaint her hair. With a marker? No, Lali, we need paint. I dip a thin brush and carefully cover the head. What a bright girl she turned into. Something's not right. She needs a quick wash. Got it. Oh no, where did her face go? Don't panic, I'll paint a new one. Painting the eyes white. Green irises, black pupils. Done. Ooh, now that's much better. Jessie needs white tights. Pow! I dip the doll right into the paint. We need to draw a pattern. Can I try? No, I want to do it myself. Okay, your call. Like this. Almost. Oops. Hey, Lali, are you okay? Look what I found. Hey. Oh, a skirt and a top. Hand them over. Trying them on the doll. Very cute. I draw a vest with a yellow marker. What am I going to do? Huh? You can look for new ideas. I add a red pattern. All done. Time to bring our doll to life. Lali, will you help? I'm missing some details. Sure thing. Lali love! Oh, super cool. The details appeared. But it's still a hat. What do you mean, a hat? It already looks great. I mean, we're missing the hat. Oh. I've got an idea. Let's make it from a cap. The hat needs a brim. For that, I take red felt. Place the cap and cut around it. Adding hot glue. Decorating with a cord. I also need some thread. Oh, thanks, Bullseye. Carefully stitching along the edge of the hat. Oh, isn't it pretty? So, is it ready yet? Yep, let's try it on. What a cute little cowgirl we made. Now it's her friend's turn. First, let's wash him. Toothbrush, toothpaste, let's go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Voila, good as new. Where are his eyebrows? I'll paint them now. One eyebrow and the second one. Repainting the eyes brown. LaLiLu! Oh, here's the hair material. I cover the old hair. What's going on? Why won't this light clay stick? Oh! Well, it turned out how it turned out. I have a solution. Maybe we should leave it like this? LaLiLu, we need to cut all this off. Okay, no way around a haircut. Oh, it's easier to sculpt on a smooth surface. I shape curls with a tool, adding volume. I brought markers. Hey! Oops! Wow, what a great set. Let's pick a color. Yep, the shirt'll be yellow. Red stripes along and across. Super! Measuring the head size. All right, okay. Drawing a matching circle. Another bigger one on top. Scissors. Cutting the pieces. Pop! What fancy mustaches. Let's see. It suits him. Actually, it's part of the hat. I apply glue on the edges and attach the top. Like this. Press a little. Decorating with an orange cord. Slightly bending the sides. Now to put on the boots. What's this? Well, the pant legs are in the way. I should shorten them with a knife. Voila! I'll brush my teeth meanwhile. Can't forget oral hygiene. So, is it ready yet? He turned into a real handsome guy. Final touch, the sheriff's star. Mini Jessie and Woody are ready. I'll place them on the shelf. Oh, what cuties! Wow! What if we make them bigger? What do you think, Lali? All right, let's begin. Pop! Here's our Jessie. So, where's the hair? Let's come up with something. Hey! How about a satin ribbon? Cutting a piece. Carefully unraveling it by pulling a thread from the edge. Wow! Just like real hair strands! Shiny and silky. I apply hot glue and attach the wefts, carefully filling the whole head. Done! Such beautiful hair, oh my goodness! Wow! Braiding it into a plait. Trimming the edges. And let's add a bow. Super! Now the outfit. Let's make a shirt. I place the pattern and trace it. Great! Cutting it out with scissors. Sewing the sides. Easy peasy. Try it on already! Pop, perfect fit. She also needs a vest. Yes! Great idea. Cutting it out of yellow fabric. Can I sew it? Let me. As you wish. Go for it. You know, I love sewing, but it always takes so long. Lali, you're already done. Let's decorate the vest. Attaching fringe. Done. Pop. Bright cuffs to match. I'll add buttons to the shirt. Now let's work on the jeans. Wait. Somewhere here. I already found fabric. Give it here. Nope. But why? I've got a better idea. Oh, here he is. Will you help, buddy? Yummy. Wow, it turned into a skirt. Yep, just how I want it. Let's try it on. Feels like something's missing.
Lali.
It goes! Wait.
What?
You should have seen your face. It's just me. LaLiLu? That's hilarious. Ha, we made a bandana. Look, it needs to be spotted. We need spray paint. I'll handle this task perfectly. I love this print. Decorating the skirt with a bandana. Wow, it looks so cool! Stylish cowboy boots. Putting them on the doll. LaLiLu, we need a hat. Gotcha. This felt will work perfectly.
Whoa.
Ta-da! Putting all the pieces together. Voila! Final touches. Beautiful. LaLiLu, put it on. Yep. Awesome. Woohoo! What a stylish look we crafted for Jessie. What a cowgirl. Yeehaw! All right, now Woody. Look at this cutie I found. Oops, lost him. Oh, found him again. Everything finds his way back to me eventually. Okay, this will take some real effort. Let's start with the hair. Those gorgeous curls need a trim. There we go. What's next? 1, 2, hop. I'll fix it. This goes here. Voila! Do you think this fabric will work for the shirt? It looks so bright, look! First, we need to draw a plaid pattern. Yep. I already prepared a template based on the measurements. I trace it, sew it just like this, trim the edges. Done. Quick fitting. Such a stylish guy. A red neckerchief. I tie it in a knot at the back. I need white paint. Adding tiny dots. Woody needs a vest. Fits nicely, I like it. Painting it with a cow print. A few black spots. LaLiLu, does it suit me?
Huh?
It does, but it suits Woody even better. What a handsome cowboy, yeehaw! Here come the jeans. Take them off, LaLiLu. Let me help with the boots. Now the jeans. Phew, got it. Write in the comments if you like Woody's new look. Put them on. Hop. Oh, LaLiLu, help me! Gotcha. Something's wrong. The jeans are too long. There. That actually works. And here are the new boots. Let's repaint them. You're right, they should be brown. I'll add a belt to the shorts. And a sheriff badge. Buddy, this is for you. Maybe we should decorate it with a flower? It smells amazing. Voila, what a charming result. I brought Jessie. Oh, I love their looks so much. They're so cool, I can't even. Sheriff Woody and Cowboy Jessie. Time to go to the shelf. Or, yeah, let's make them even bigger. I'll look for something suitable in the broken toys. Well, oh, this one looks pretty good. We'll deal with it later. Then let's find Jessie. Oh, there's a body but no head. What do we have here? This one will work perfectly. Come on. Got it. First, I need to paint the face. I'll start with the eyes. White base, black pupils. Okay. With a thin brush, I add green irises, adding highlights with white paint. Will you do the eyebrows? Yes, I'll do them later. Let's do the brows. We need brows. Lali, if you want them so much, will you do them yourself? Me? Oh, sure. Let's paint. Okay, one is done. Now the second. Voila! Why are they different? I'm an artist. That's my vision. I'll tweak them a little. Or maybe not just a little. Wow, they're so thin. I'll add some volume. Mine were better anyway. Yeah. All done. What do you think? so pretty. We should add some color to the lips. Where's my favorite lipstick? Oh, found it. Just like this. LaLiLu, take a look. So beautiful.
Yes, Jessie's adorable. I'll work on her hair. Have a seat. Cutting off the old bands. Wow, that's a lot of hair.
Styling spray.
Perfect. Now the hair will brush easily.
What's next?
I'll straighten the strands with a flat iron. Lali, can you bring a reference? Stretching it out.
Jessie had a braid like this.
Then why did we straighten the hair?
No idea.
Oh well, braiding the hair and tying it with a band. Done.
And red swirls.
Hey Lali, what are you doing there?
Here, I drew the shirt.
Nice, hand it over. Watch this trick. Ta-da!
Cool.
But something's missing, right? I'll add matching cuffs. And on the other arm too. Jessie needs jeans. Got any ideas?
Yep, I'll sew them now. The machine is right here.
Then let's go. Okay, we'll wait. Maybe play with the duck.
A few moments later.
LaLiLu done.
Oh, I just finished the boots. Wow, that's awesome work. What's this, a sale? So she bought them instead of sewing? Done.
LaLiLu, high five.
We did great, buddy. Just missing a hat. Oh, I know. I'll recreate the craft from the previous look. Ta-da! Looks pretty good to me.
That's unreal. Wow. The duck of my dreams. Come here, sweetie. You're coming with me.
What? Okay. Time to work on Woody.
Something's off.
Oh wow, he's all twisted. That's better. Woody should have brown eyes.
LaLiLu, I'll handle the hair. Come on. Now he looks like me. I'll make some hearts. How is it? I think he looks great.
Oh, Lali, this needs fixing. We're making a cowboy, not your twin. Covering the light clay with brown acrylic. Done.
I'll use a hairdryer to make it dry faster. Need more power. Ah, I'm getting blown away!
Gotcha! Are you okay?
Yeah, let's try again. Gotta finish drying. Oh, it's heavy.
Relax, it's already dry. Let me take that. Hey, something's in the way.
What? Oops. Wait, where's Woody? Where did he go?
He's stuck to the cactus. Go take a walk.
Okay.
And I'll work on the outfit. Trying on the shirt. Fits perfectly. Tying the neckerchief. Gorgeous.
I can't see anything.
Putting jeans on Woody. Perfect. Fastening the belt.
Are you ticklish? What about now? Hey, why isn't he laughing?
Huh? He's a doll, but you will laugh. Putting on the hat. A vest with a themed print. Final touches, a holster and boots. Done.
Here's your friend.
Hey. Adult Jessie and Woody look incredibly stylish. Wow, we crafted amazing looks. Off to the shelf.
Oh, they're all so cool. Big Woody, smaller Woody, and mini Woody. And Jessie as an adult, a teen, and a tiny one.
Love you, Lelix. Bye-bye. See you soon.